Let's say I want to make 4 pinch pots and I want to get 4 equal sized balls of clay. I'm going to get down low and line up. You can do this either direction. I can either pull with my right hand or pull with my left hand. Once I've determined everything is straight across on the back side, straight across toward me. And I'm only going to pull with one, not both. Okay? Just one. Nice and even. Same here. Lined up about halfway up. Pull it through. Nice even cut. And if I cut these 2 in half again, we'll have 4 pretty equal lumps to work with, right? Contrast that with just going and pulling both through. It's not going to be as even. That was actually pretty even. I'm surprised. Okay, good luck.